Hello everyone, my name is Alok Mishra and I welcome all of you once again on my YouTube channel. Today, this is going to be a very short and very informative video. I will not take much time because I am trying to simplify a very complex question that many of us encounter as soon as we start studying literary theories. So I am going to discuss what is literary theory. Now this question, many of you who have already completed MA must remember that during our days of BA, as soon as literary theory occurs on our study tables, we are frightened and complex. And the first thing that strikes us, that tries to block our way to understanding literary theory is the question, what is literary theory? So what is a literary theory? What might be a literary theory? So what is theory? In short, a theory is something that makes you understand anything conveniently, easily, and from a specific point of view. In the same breath, a literary theory is a set of ideas or a means of analysis or a tool that helps you analyze, interpret, study, and perceive any given literary text from a specific point of view. Now, if you get it, suppose, for example, we have to do an eco-critical analysis of the text by any particular literary personality. So what we will do, we will try to read the given text from the point of view of those who practice the theory of eco-criticism or those who have laid the foundations of this school of theory. So we'll try to find the instances or the examples or the scenarios or the extracts in the given text that help us understand the relationship between man and nature, human and nature, the relationship between ecology and human being, or the atrocities or the abuse of nature in any form. So in short, what we did is we tried to perceive or interpret or study the given literary text from a specific point of view, in this case from an eco-critical point of view. So this process is called literary criticism, and the tool that we applied is called literary theory. So once again, just to make sure that you get the idea in most simple way, in the simplest possible way, in the most convenient manner, is that a literary theory or any literary theory is a set of ideas, tools of analysis, or a means of interpreting, studying, and analyzing any literary text from a specific point of view. Now, you may go and read any possible definition. All those will point in this direction. A literary theory is a tool of analysis, is a means of analyzing a literary text. So in short, this is what frightens us, and this is what has been giving us those complicated thoughts and emotions. So I hope I have tried to make it clear and it has clicked the right chords. So in the next videos, I'll try to simplify all those concepts that may have complicated us for many days, the days when we began studying or when we just started studying something particular. So do give me your thoughts, do give me your opinions in the comment section. How did you like this simplification of the question, what is a literary theory? Thank you for watching. All the best. Have a good time.